Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to reorder symbols on MetaTrader 5. If you want your trading workspace to feel cleaner and easier to use, organizing the symbols in your Market Watch window is a simple but very helpful step. Reordering symbols lets you place your most used instruments exactly where you want them, so you can find them faster during analysis or trading. Having an organized Market Watch can make your trading routine more efficient because you spend less time searching for instruments and more time focusing on charts, price movements, and potential opportunities. To begin, look over to the left side of the MetaTrader 5 platform and find the Market Watch panel. This is the area where your available symbols, such as currency pairs, indices, commodities, or other instruments are listed. The Market Watch panel acts as your main overview of available trading instruments. Depending on your broker, you may have a very large list of symbols available, so arranging them properly can make navigation much easier. If you use certain symbols more often than others, it makes sense to move them into a more convenient order. For example, if you mainly trade Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY, placing those pairs near the top of your list allows you to access them quickly without scrolling through less frequently used instruments. Once you're in the Market Watch section, find the symbol you want to move. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if the list is long or contains instruments with similar names. When you're ready, click and hold the symbol with your mouse. Keep holding the mouse button down, because this is what allows you to reposition it within the list. Now, while still holding the mouse button, drag the symbol up or down to your preferred position. Move it carefully and watch the list as you drag, so you can place it exactly where it makes the most sense for your workflow. For example, you might want to keep your favorite trading pairs near the top, or group similar instruments together to make scanning the list easier. You can also organize symbols based on your personal trading style. Some traders prefer grouping by market type, such as keeping Forex pairs together, indices together, and commodities together. Others prefer arranging them based on how frequently they trade each asset. When the symbol is in the spot you want, release the mouse button. As soon as you let go, the symbol will be placed in its new location. This change can make your Market Watch panel much more practical, especially if you check certain assets regularly throughout the day. Small improvements like this can help create a more comfortable trading environment. A cleaner workspace can reduce unnecessary distractions and allow you to react more quickly when market conditions change. If you want to continue organizing your list, simply repeat the same process for the rest of your symbols. As needed, click and hold the next symbol, drag it into position, and release. You can keep doing this until the list is arranged in a way that feels natural for you. A well-organized Market Watch can save time and reduce distractions, especially when markets are moving quickly. This is especially useful during active trading sessions, when you need quick access to multiple instruments and want to avoid wasting time searching through a crowded symbol list. Even a small adjustment like this can improve your overall experience on MetaTrader 5. Taking a few minutes to organize your platform can make your workflow smoother and help you stay focused on your trading analysis.